In the boundless canvas of the cosmos, galaxies are not static islands, but celestial dancers, locked in an eternal, gravitational ballet. Some glide past, their paths diverging, while others embrace in slow-motion collisions, their stars destined to merge over billions of years, reshaping cosmic landscapes. Yet, even within our own cosmic neighborhood, worlds are undergoing profound transformations. Far beyond Neptune, the dwarf planet Pluto drifts further into the Sun's icy embrace, its thin, nitrogen atmosphere slowly collapsing, freezing onto its frigid surface like a silent, cosmic snowfall. While distant worlds evolve over eons, humanity continues its relentless reach for the stars. From the Tanegashima Space Center, Japan's mighty H-3 rocket pierces the dawn sky, carrying our ambitions higher, weaving an intricate web of technology around our home planet. This powerful ascent delivered Michibiki 7, a vital component of Japan's quasi-zenith satellite system, enhancing global navigation. But it also carried a silent guardian, SA with Macron CHI, a hosted instrument for the U.S. Space Force, an eye in the sky, diligently monitoring the orbital ballet of satellites, ensuring security in the vast expanse above. These orbital sentinels are more crucial than ever, as our own planet faces its profound natural shifts. In mid-2026, El Niño officially arrived, a powerful phenomenon warming the equatorial Pacific, altering ocean currents and atmospheric patterns with far-reaching consequences across the globe. The ripple effects are immediate and stark. Satellite data from NASA's PACE mission reveal a dramatic decline in ocean chlorophyll, the very essence of marine life. Phytoplankton, the foundation of the ocean's food web, dwindle, leaving zooplankton, fish, and even seabirds struggling, a silent cry echoing from the deep. But even in these challenging times, humanity's ingenuity offers hope. NASA's PACE satellite, a marvel of hyperspectral technology, offers an unprecedented view, allowing scientists to dissect the ocean's chemistry, track phytoplankton communities, and understand El Niño's intricate dance across land, air, and sea. From the grand, gravitational waltz of merging galaxies to the subtle, vital pulse of Earth's marine ecosystems, the universe is a tapestry of constant change. And through our insatiable curiosity and ever-advancing technology, we continue to listen, to watch, and to learn, unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos, one broadcast at a time.